Hello guys, it's Sam here with Invest with Sam. Today I'm going to be doing a video on HIMS, ticker symbol HIMS. I actually haven't done a video on about a month on these guys. This is a stock I am quite heavily into, and today it's actually this stock itself. I mean, over the last, let me just show you, over the last month, we're on a massive downtrend, and we've literally shot up over the last 6 months. We're not up to where we was at these all-time highs of $24, which, to be fair with you, looking back now, was overvalued. I did actually buy the all-time highs, uh, but first of all, I just want to get into how many shares I hold. So I have 1,419 shares and some um, some noughts in there, some nought numbers in there. But I'm actually up 24% on, well, actually 25% at the moment. I'm looking at my stock, how many shares I own right now, and my position on my phone, and I'm up 25% right now. FX impact is down 2%, which is putting me down £267 UK sterling. I'm actually up 3k at the moment. I did have a couple more shares but I've sold about 50 to 65, 70 shares over the last week. Mainly just because I am very exposed to HIMS, and there's another company, Canoe, that I'm very exposed to. And luckily enough, HIMS has done really well for me. I bought at all-time highs of $22. Not really looking at the market valuation at the time. I was just looking at it as a company and thinking, yeah, this is the future. I like where they're going with it and everything like that. But this massive dip that happened, from me buying at $22, we've gone all the way down, and we've been on a slow recovery. Do I think we can sustain this? I think where the market valuation is right now, I think it's at the right valuation. Uh, Maybe $13, I would say, right market valuation. But in the long term, I think this can go way higher. Really, I mean, I've done a video before, my last video, which I'll put in the link at the end of the video if you want to go check out. If you want to compare their revenue numbers to Teladoc's revenue numbers in 2016, they're at similar numbers, and what HIMS's guidance is supposed to be. They're also at Teladoc's revenue in 2017. So, they're at the same type of growth trajectory. Now, personally, I don't think HIMS will be where Teladoc is in the future. I think we could possibly be a half of what their market cap is, or even a quarter. But I can't, I can't predict the future. For all I know, it could go to them levels or even higher. Especially because their focus is on millennials and Gen Zs, and obviously I understand that. So I understand the way they brand themselves and everything like that. But what my plan is for now is literally just to sell a couple shares here and there as long as we're going up. So as next time we hit $15, I'll sell maybe 10, 5 shares, something like that. I'm in it for the long term because I really do believe everything they're doing. Unless the fundamentals change, their guidance, their revenue numbers, um, and their earnings and everything like that. As long as we keep growing, I'm gonna keep holding shares. And like I said, just for safety reasons, just to limit my risk, I am gonna sell some shares every now and then, not a lot. If we have a massive bounce upwards, maybe 10, 15%, I'm gonna unload maybe, I don't know, 20, 30 shares, depending on the price. But I'm just putting them funds aside now. So if we do go down, and if I do see myself at a negative position percentage on HIMS, then I can always average down. But I don't think that's going to happen. I mean, I'm up 25%. But who knows? When I bought at $22, I didn't think it would go as low as $8.97. So it's given me a massive opportunity, and this is a company I like. I think for long term they'll be great. Uh, I thought I'd just do a video on them guys today because I haven't done a video on them updating since my last video. Like I said back then, if you want to go check the video, I was down. I don't know how much I was down. I think I was down about 30% at one point. That's the furthest I went down with HIMS, and ever since then I've just kept on averaging down. Um, just consistently really, and around April we had uh, a massive dip. I think it was April 20th or something like that. I bought quite a lot of shares then, and I've got my average down to $11.72, so that's what my average is at now. I don't have any plans to keep on buying HIMS unless amazing news comes out. They bring out amazing products where I think they can take them even higher in the future, but for now I'm just holding my position. And like I said, I'll be selling some in the near future. That's my plan anyway. But like I said, I have a lot of shares. I have 1,419 shares. So who knows what the future holds for them at the moment. So I thought I'd just do a quick update on them. I'll also be doing another video on Canoe. That's another stock I own. I am actually quite down on that position, down 15%. But like I said, on my whole portfolio, I'm actually up 2% at the moment. So for the last 3 months, I've been in the red. But luckily enough, Hims has got me some good gains and put me back into the green today. So other than that, guys, I thought I'd just do a quick update video on my position on Hims. I'll probably keep on doing videos on these guys in the near future. Not every week or anything like that. Maybe once every 2 months, something like that. Unless there's big news that comes out. Other than that, guys, please like and subscribe if you can. That'll be much appreciated. Thanks for watching, and yeah, peace.